welcome back to Hershey's World. My name's Hershey, if you haven't guessed so already. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing a really delicious looking cupcake from a reference picture that I found online. Before we get started, the materials I'm going to be using are Artist Pro Series Mixed Media A4 size, 100 sheets, blah 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 notebook. I'm also going to be using Faber Castell, one of my favorite coloring brands. A 48 pack of watercolor pencils. I'm going to be using an eraser, pencil, sharpener, the usual stuff. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos every Sunday, and now let's get on to the video. Hey guys, it's voiceover Hershey here, just coming to tell you some facts about this video. Sorry if it seems a little bit glitchy. I took a time-lapse video first of me doing this because it takes forever to, speed it up in iMovie. But anyways, then it came out looking like this. And, it's not really a good result, but, yeah. Anyways, right now I'm doing is just coloring the frosting, The picture that I saw online, actually, it looked like the frosting, they used, like, the star tip. I don't know how they got that effect. It looks so good, guys. On to the wrapper. This one was a little bit harder to do because in my 48 pack of the watercolor pencils, I didn't really have a lot of purple options. I only had like 2 in that same color tint. The other ones were all kind of like pink fading into purple, like magenta color, But the shadows were quite easy because I had the darker purple. Highlights were just, now I'm just coloring the actual cupcake. Normally, I don't actually draw cupcakes like this. I do them like the cartoon version. I'll put a little picture at the end of this if you guys want to see it. But onto the sauce. Do you guys like caramel sauce better or chocolate sauce better? I don't really put sauces on anything. I mean, lots of people put it on their ice cream. I just put sprinkles or marshmallows and Oreos. I mean, guys, you have to try that. It tastes awesome. Mwah. I love it. I'm just adding the final details and everything, finishing this video off. Before this video ends, I just like to say, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know if you have any other ideas, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Here's the picture of the cupcakes that I usually draw. The cartoon version.